An object with mass 500 grams moves along the x-axis with a speed v is equal to 4 root over x meter per second. The force acting on the object is. ఏం కనుక్కోవాలన్నా ఫోర్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. రైట్, లిజన్. What is the force? What is the force నాన్న? F is equals to mass into acceleration. అవునా కదా? What is being given నాన్న? Mass ఎంత? Object యొక్క mass ఎంత? Suppose let me take a object which is of mass 0.5 kg. Okay na? Which is moving with a velocity of how much na? V is equals to 4 root over x meter per second along the x axis. And basically it has given the direction na. You can keep the I also, but finally మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది magnitude of the force కాబట్టి you need not to keep a direction there. It is the velocity. మనకేం కావాలన్నా మరి మాస్ ఉంది, యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఒకటి తెలిస్తే we can get the force acting on the object. Okay na? How can we find nana? What is the acceleration? We know that acceleration can be given like v into dv by dx. అవునా కదా? Right. v ఎలాగో తెలుసు, v వాడే ఇచ్చిండు. అవునా కదా? dv by dx ఏమైతే అన్న, which is going to be 4 root over x into d by dx of 4 root over x. What about this one nana? 4 root over x into 4 is the common. Root x and 1 by 2 root over x, right? Root x gets cancelled out. 2 2s are and 4 2s are 8 meter per second square is the acceleration. This is what the acceleration. That's it. And what about the force nana? Force is equals to mass into acceleration. What is the mass there? Mass is going to be 1 by 2 kg and acceleration is going to be 8 meter per second square. How much it is going to be? 4 kg meter per second square, which is nothing but a Newton. Force how much? 4 newtons. Option D is correct. I hope it is clear.